Morning class. My name is Ian Francisco L. Rajan. I'm your instructor for today. Today's topic is prevention to COVID-19. For the scope of my presentation as shown, my objective to increase health and safety awareness of the student for potential exposure to the SARS-CoV-2 virus that caused COVID-19. At the end of this lecture, the student will be able to explain the facts about SARS-CoV-2 virus, explain basic facts about COVID-19 disease, assess the risk of exposure to COVID-19, define key steps in protection and infection prevention and control, identify methods to prevent and respond to COVID-19 exposure. Okay, what is COVID-19? Any of you, class? What is COVID-19? There are hundreds of coronavirus, most of which can circulate among animals, including pigs, camels, bats, and cats. Sometimes, this virus jumps to human, a spillover event, and can cause disease, as happened with severe acute respiratory syndrome, SARS, Middle East respiratory syndrome, and now COVID-19. Coronaviruses gets their name from the characteristic crumb-like spikes on the surface of the virus, which resemble a corona. As shown on the screen, COVID-19 virus and SARS-CoV-2. They have the corona spike. How COVID-19 got its start? An outbreak of novel coronavirus, severe respiratory disease, emerged in China in early 2020s. The virus was first seen in December of 2019 when a cluster of viral pneumonia cases was reported in Wuhan, China, Hubei province. A novel coronavirus was identified as the causative agent of the pneumonia. The virus, temporarily named 2019 nCoV, now called SARS-CoV-2, caused a widespread epidemic throughout China. How COVID-19 spreads? Transmission. COVID-19 is spread from person to person, mainly through cough, sneezing, and breathing. Okay. Yung COVID-19 ay nanggagaling sa tao kapag tayo nagkaharap na meron itong infection, at nanggagaling ito sa kanyang ubo or paghinga, at pag yun ay nalanghap mo, maaaring ikaw ay tamaan ng COVID-19. Okay, to be continue. Droplet respiratory secretion from cough and sneezing landing on mucosal surfaces, nose, mouth, and eyes. Okay? Doon pumapasok ang virus sa ating ilong, bunganga, at mata. Kaya dapat hindi natin nahawakan ang mga ito kapag tayo lumalabas ng bahay, kasi maaari tayong mahawa kung merong na virus ang ating nakasalamuha. Okay, we continue. Aerosol, a liquid particle or liquid droplet suspended in air. Okay. Contact, touching something with SARS-2 virus on it and then touching mouth, nose, and eyes. Yun, doon natin pwedeng makuha yung virus. Other possible routes to fecal matter. Okay. Viability on surfaces. Okay, ito po, contamination of dry surfaces can serve as transmission route of coronaviruses. Some studies have reported that coronavirus can survive on metal, glass, plastic, and fiber for as long as 9 days. Kaya maaari tayong mahawa sa mga bagay na na-infect ng virus kapag ang tao ay umatching at napunta ito sa mga bagay kagaya ng metal, glass, at mga plastic, at nabubuhay ang mga virus sa loob ng 9 days. Kaya hanggat maaari dapat natin itong i-disinfect agad para maiwasan ang pagkalat ng COVID-19. Okay, continue. COVID-19 can live in the air and on surface between several hours on several days. 2019 nCoV is variable for up to 72 hours on plastics, 48 hours on stainless steel, and 24 hours on cardboard. Okay, nice to know, students. Coronavirus symptoms. Ito po yung mga symptoms na maaari nating maramdaman kapag tayo may COVID-19. Okay, COVID-19 can cause mild to severe symptoms. Most common symptoms include fever, cough, shortness of breath. Kapag nakaramdam na po na tayo nito, ay agad na mag-quarantine tayo. Self-quarantine sa ating mga bahay. Other symptoms may include sore throat, runny or stuffy nose, body ache, headache, chills, fatigue, gastrointestinal diarrhea, loss of smell and taste. Ayun po, kapag tayo wala ng panlasa agad, dapat natin itong bigyan ng agahang medical or agahang pagsa-self-quarantine para hindi tayo makahawa sa ibang tao. Next, ito yung mga kadalasang nahawaan at nagkakaroon ng malalang symptoms or kadalasan namamatay. Ang mga matatanda po, yun po ang may pinakamataas na namamatay. At ang mga symptoms na nangyayari dito ay heart disease, lung disease such as asthma, diabetes, suppress immune systems. Ito po, kapag nahawaan po tayo ng COVID-19, ang mga taong meron nito ay lumalala ang kanilang mga sakit. Kaya yun ang nagkakos ng pagkamatay. Okay, next. Treatment and vaccine. In December 2020, the FDA gave emergency use authorization to 2 COVID-19 vaccines with many more in pipeline. So marami na ngayong 2021, marami na pong mga vaccine na confirm na effective. Kaya kaagad na kung merong vaccine, magpa-vaccine na tayo kaagad para maiwasan at mapababa ang chance na magkaroon tayo ng COVID-19. Okay, there is no specific FDA cleared medication or treatment for COVID-19. Wala pa pong lunas ang COVID-19, kaya hanggat maaari gawin natin na maging healthy ang ating katawan. Okay, people who mildly ill with COVID-19 should isolate at home during their illness at least 14 days. Okay, kapag nakaramdam tayo ng mga symptoms, agad na tignan natin ang sarili natin, observe. And kung maaari ay doon muna tayo sa ating kwarto at doon tayo makihalubilo sa ating mga pamilya para maiwasan na mahawa sila. next. Okay. Ito po, tips on how we can prevent the spread of coronavirus. What can individuals do? Okay. Be informed and prepared. Katulad nito, dapat makinig sa aking mga tinuturo para malaman nyo kung paano maging prepare at malaman natin maging matalino para maiwasan na mahawa ng COVID-19. Okay, wear a mask and face shield. Maintain social distancing. At least 6 feet dapat ang layo natin kung tayo man ay lalabas at makikihalubilo sa iba. Wash your hands frequently. Use alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Yan. Kailangan natin iwasan ng mga yon. Lalo na kung humawak tayo ng mga bagay na hinahawakan ng iba. Stay home when you are sick. Yan. Mag-quarantine agad tayo pagka nakaramdam ka na ng mga symptoms nito. Cough or sneeze into tissue or your elbow. Yan. Kapag tayo uubo, o dapat umubo tayo sa tissue or naka-face mask para hindi kumalat yung virus. Clean and disinfect frequently touch object and surface such as cell phone. Yan, lagi nating lilinisin yung mga lagi nating hinahawakan ng bagay kasi pwedeng itong magdulot ng virus. Doon tayo mahawa. Okay, as shown on the screen, use proper personal protective equipment. Ito po yung mga bagay na kailangan nating isuot kapag tayo lalabas or kailangan nating gamitin panlinis sa ating kamay na alcohol and hand sanitizer spray. Kung maaari, gumamit tayo ng gloves kapag tayo lalabas at kung mag-grocery, hahawak tayo ng kung ano-ano na hinawakan ng iba, kailangan natin mag-gloves. At pagkatapos gamitin ng gloves, agad-agad itong itapon sa tamang tapunan. Use face mask and face shield. Ito ang pinaka-importante. Huwag nating ihuhubarin ito kapag tayo nasa labas. For my recommended na face mask, maaaring dapat nating gamitin ay yung surgical mask or disposable mask. Huwag tayong gagamit ng mask na gawa sa tela. Kung gagamit man tayo nito, patungan natin ng surgical mask. Dapat yung mask na susutin natin fit sa mukha. Okay, as shown on the screen kung anong dapat gamitin at hindi. Okay, next. How to properly wear a face mask. Okay, as shown on the screen, step 1. Ensure the proper side of the mask face outwards. Number 2, secure the string behind your head or over ears. Press the metallic strip to fit the shape of the nose. Cover mouth and nose fully, making sure there are no gaps. Wear mask. Do not touch the mask while using it. If you do, wash your hands. Remove the mask from behind by holding the strings with clean hands. Okay? Key times to practice social distancing. Practice natin yung social distancing. Kung tayo man nasa bahay o tayo nasa labas. Kahit na nasa bahay tayo, dapat tayo may 6 feet or lalo na doon sa mga kasama natin sa bahay, hindi natin maiwasan na lumalabas, mapasok sa trabaho. Maaaring gawin natin ito. Kung maaari ay kung gusto nyo makausap ang pamilya, ay nasa kwarto lang tayo at mag-call na lang or video call. Okay, 5 step to proper hand washing. As shown on the screen, wet your hands with clean running water. Lather your hands by rubbing them together with the soap. Scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds. Rinse your hands well under clean running water and dry your hands using a clean towel or air dry them. Okay, as shown on the screen, high touch surface to disinfect daily. Okay, dapat nating i-disinfect rin araw-araw yung ito yung mga bagay na laging hinahawakan araw-araw. Kaya dapat lagi rin nating lilinisan para ma-disinfect siya. So ito yung mga bagay na yan. Tables, countertops, light switches, doorknobs, remote, desk, hardback chair, computer and keyboard, phone, tablets, toilet, and sink. So, dapat lagi natin tandaan na lagi natin itong linisin pagkatapos nating hawakan or gamitin. Maaari gumamit tayo ng mga pang-disinfect na nabibili sa mga store, or kung wala tayo, gumamit tayo ng alcohol and malinis na towel or cloth. Okay? Any questions? Okay. Kylie?
Sir, airborne po ba yung COVID-19?
Okay. Napakagandang tanong. So, COVID-19 ay airborne nga ba? Oo. Pwede natin itong makuha sa hangin kapag ang taong merong infection nito ay umubo at ang laway na inubo niya ay pwede natin makuha sa hangin. Okay, at the end of this lecture, I am able to discuss to you what is coronavirus, how COVID-19 get its start, how COVID-19 spread, viability on surface, COVID-19 symptoms, and tips on how we can prevent the spread of COVID-19. That's end of my presentation. Thank you and good day.